Hey guys, it's I don't even know my YouTube name anymore. Supreme Mods, I guess. Probably gonna be changing that soon, but today I'm gonna be washing my car. Kind of don't mod anymore. Well, I do a little bit, but kind of more into cars than I am video games now. But today I'm gonna be washing my car. It's pretty dirty. I just waxed it like a week ago, but it has this thick like pollen and stuff on it. I'm gonna be washing it and drying it in today's video, and what I'm gonna be using is this turtle wax stuff. I got it for Easter. I'm gonna just see how well it works with a little foam can hooked up to a pressure washer. But I'm gonna do a time lapse of washing it, then drying it. Here's where it usually gets the dirtiest, right here in this little trap on the bumper. Can't really see much right now, but everything usually just puddles up right here that comes off the back. Now that I've rinsed most of the car off, I'm gonna begin foaming the car. And here's the after product of the car. I still need to do the tires, but that won't take much to do. But it's not perfect, but it's pretty good just to be doing it in a driveway, not even touching it with a microfiber towel or wash mitt.